Hey folks, this is Rob Bailey with Red Trolley Homes, and I'm here today. I wanted to show you the inside of my project management system. And I know this is probably isn't a super sexy topic, and there's probably not a whole lot of you out there today that have even started to think about this, but this is a very, very important piece of my outsourcing arsenal. This is basically the backbone of all the trainings and all of the my virtual staff trainings. And if you guys aren't training your virtual staff, and you're just handing them tasks and expect them to understand how to do it your way and to know everything, right off the bat, you're making a mistake. One of the great things about Chris Ducker and the virtual business lifestyle blog that he started was that he's got a service called Virtual Staff Finder. Once you find your staff, that's only half the battle. Once you hire your staff, you've got a completely different job. So I'm showing you that I just logged into my project management system. I use Basecamp, and you can go to basecamphq.com if you want to check it out. Now there's lots of project management tools. I happen to like Basecamp. It's web-based. I can access it from anywhere, and it's simple. So this is my administrator login. Now my VA, who I just hired through Chris Ducker's service through virtualstafffinder.com, my VA her name's Fleur, and I just hired Fleur to be my video blogging VA. So I started two projects for her. One is a public project, and one is a private project. Okay. Now you'll see there's a bunch of other projects over here for my business, but you can kind of ignore that. Now I run a couple of businesses. I run Red Trolley Homes, which is my real estate investing business, and I also have a blog and a website, and I do some internet marketing consulting stuff as well. So those are my two things. You'll see here I've got training in Fleur's public folder. So let me just show this to you here. You can see I have orientation trainings here, and they've all got video to go along with it. And I won't make you watch the videos, but the point is I do a little screencast just like I'm screencasting with you right now. And I do that for each thing that I want them to understand how to do. Where do you fit into the team? What does our company do? All those things. So this is just a quick orientation module that I set up. And there's also a module on communication, payment, and reporting. Okay, I want my VAs to communicate with me on a daily basis. Okay, accountability is huge. For me, I want to know that they're working, and I want to know what they did. So I've got a little instruction on daily communication. Okay, I tell them what to do at the end of every day. You'll see here's a screenshot. I want a report that says daily report plus the date at the top. I want to know what tasks you performed that day. Okay, so I make it super crystal clear. Tell them that they need to submit an invoice. Okay, methods for receiving payment. So this is just a quick tool that you guys can use, and I highly recommend that you do this. It's going to make your VAs perform much better. They're going to know exactly what you want from them. And so I highly recommend using a project management system to train your VAs virtually. It's Rob Bailey from robbailey.com and redtrolleyhomes.com. Thanks so much, and thanks to Chris Ducker for hiring such a great VA for me.